Hello guys, today a Greek recipe. I will read you the name when I go back at home, and for sure I will make a wrong pronunciation, so sorry to all my friends from Greek. This kind of figs you need to collect when they are still not ripe. So with the black figs is easier because you need to collect the pink one. So no green and not black, pink, like this one for example. So they are very hard but already start to change color. I collect a cup like this and see you at home to go ahead with the recipe. The name of the recipe is Cuoredicioccolato. I hope that is the right pronunciation. The original recipe I changed a little bit because usually they use the water. Instead of the water I will use the wine, specifically my lemon wine, so there is also the taste of the lemon already in the wine. It also is a sweet wine, but up to you. First of all, we should remove the latex inside our figs. So we cut a little bit our figs, making a kind of X or cross. We put in the pot, we cover with the water, and we boil for 15 minutes. Now we boil again, but for 10 minutes, and for sure we put a fresh water inside. You see the color of this water? This water you should throw away. You should throw away. Waiting that the figs start boiling again, we can organize ourselves for the syrup. I tell you the ingredients. Upon 650 grams of figs, I will use 1 kilogram of sugar, 500 ml of wine. You can use the water if you don't like to use the wine. 1 cinnamon stick, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 lemon. We will use the zest and the juice. Now I collect the zest and after I squeeze the lemon. Everything is ready. I open also the wine, so let's test it, just in case, to be sure that it's good. Here the figs are boiling very well. Okay, the time is over. Spectacular, very strong. I don't know, only 10%, but I think it's more. Okay. Now we throw away the water and we will use the wine. If you don't want to use the wine, you can use half liter of water. Now that the sugar melts and the syrup start boiling, we can take our figs and put inside. Please be careful, because if some drop of syrup jump on your skin, you will burn seriously. So please be careful. So we put the figs, we boil 10 minutes, after we turn off the stove and we close with the lid and keep like this all the night. So see you tomorrow morning. The following morning they reach the room temperature, so now we can put the figs in the jars, but the syrup, not the syrup, like my friends did help me to pronunciate in the right way. We need to concentrate a little bit because now it's too liquid, so we remove the figs, put in the jar, and after we concentrate our syrup. Please be careful because they are very hot. The sugar will preserve them, so you can store in your kitchen cabinet without problem. Now they are hot, so I should wait that they reach the room temperature, so maybe tomorrow I will test them. See you tomorrow. With a fresh sparkling wine. This is homemade peach wine. You'll find the recipe here on the channel. It's really even more spectacular. I tried this one with gorgonzola cheese. Now I tried the one with capicola. You can use any cold cut like prosciutto. You find both of the recipe here on the channel. This is dedicated to my friend Andrea. He told me try the figs with the capicola and you will be surprised. So let's try it. Spectacular. Perfect for appetizer or aperitivo like we call here in Italy. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice about figs, some other recipe to follow, let me know down in the comment. Somebody on the Italian channel advised to make the figs honey. If you want to send me some recipe, you can write me here, you can write me on Instagram, you can send me an email, up to you. Bye bye. Spettacolo.